Hey, what's going on? Welcome to Backyard Smoke. I'm your host, James. And today, I got a little treat for you guys. This video is sponsored by Easy. You've watched my videos in the past. You know I'm a huge fan of all their. So recently, Drip Easy sent me all three of the upgraded tubs. Mine were the original ones. I'll show you the difference a little bit later. These are the original, the XL, and the Junior. I only have the original and XL, so I'm excited for the little one, and I'll show you guys why. Also, they sent the brand new barbecue blanket. So I'm definitely going to give this a try today. I'm going to cook me a little chuck roast and see what happens. The junior bucket is my new favorite. Small, in case I want like a single bird or a steak or something, it doesn't really get in my way. What I love the most about it is now they have tabs. The original one did not have, so couldn't lock your lid. You just lay your lid on here like this. And sometimes the lid will fall off. Allow me to secure the lid and the wind doesn't blow it off and things of that nature. If you guys like this, Father's Day's coming, so that pit master in your family, and you're looking for that cool gift, why don't you pick up the blanket and the prep tub? There's going to be a link in the description. You guys can go ahead and get a 10% off on me. Help your dad out. It's pit master season right now for a lot of people. Memorial Day is coming up, so if you do it right, you might be able to get this quicker. I would definitely check it out. Let's dive in a little bit, and I'll tell you more about why I love these so much. All right, so I went ahead and put this on a better table, but I brought the smallest one up. The unique thing about this is the small one is only 15.75 inches long, and it has a width of 12 and a half and diameter of 4.5. Really good for steaks and small things. I put on my phone here the dimensions for the other one, and also link these down. The original comes in at 20 inches long, 16.25 wide, and 5.5 diameter. And the XL, really good for pork butts, briskets, things like that. 22 and a half inches long, 16.25 wide, and also 5.5 diameter. Now, each of them are built the same except for the length. Tabs, and the best thing, these are space savers. Look, stack these up, be this thin, slide them in the back of your cupboard, and they're out the way. This is also a cutting board, and I use mine a lot. Easy to clean, dishwasher safe. I can't say enough good things about it. I've had mine for, I don't know, we had to look at the date of the last video. I'll look it up, but I'll also link it, and you can see how the other one went. I believe an original, but don't quote me on that. I'll take a look. But overall, super easy, super cool. I love the upgrades. Got the nice little logo here. This is in the, I believe this color is the charcoal, which I love because the orange gets dirty and it'll show up. The charcoal, not as bad. But on to the newest product, the barbecue blanket. This is pretty cool. I've never used it, so I'm going to use it today. And I'll show you guys later how we get down with it. Unwrap it, take it off. Oh, wow. Folds out really nice, nice, heavy. It had the Drip Easy logo right here. Oh, wow. It unzips really nice. And what's this? So, has a Drip Easy blanket, simple to clean, wash with warm soapy water, and wash only. So, definitely don't put this in your dishwasher. Some exterior discoloration can be expected. Do not place this in your oven or grill. And do not place anything above 250 in the blankets. Oh, I had some pictures on the back of people using it. So you can be creative with this. I love it. QR code, scan that. Definitely recommend it. I love the foil lining. I love how it opens up a lot too. This is huge, guys. We could put a decent sized brisket, definitely a fork butt in here. I love it. I love how it opens up nice and wide. This is really good. Time will tell how long it lasts, but I will say the other products I have from Easy have lasted over some years without any issues. I love taking care of my barbecue stuff as many of you guys do as well. So let me go ahead and I'm gonna break this in with you guys. I got a couple of chuck roasts I'm gonna throw one and see the size and just take a look. And then after I cook the chuck roast, I'm gonna follow the instructions, wrap them, put them into this drip easy, and get my feel for it, how it feels. I don't really know the best way to test it. I usually let my roast rest, but the idea of this blanket is to rest it and bring it down at a much slower temperature. So we'll get an idea of as long as you're resting your meat, you want to come back in. You don't want to take off the grill and cut it. This will also be good if you are traveling and you just want to keep it warm a little bit longer, but you don't want to have the gigantic cooler. Since you have to wrap this and put it in foil or butcher paper, that's pretty good. One thing I want to do is I want to see how this fits into another drip easy. All right, so I went ahead and grabbed the XL. The XL has 4 tabs. I'm wondering if I'm cooking something pretty small, if I could fold this over and place it in here. This is also good for just storing it too. Even if I can't put it in there with the meat and travel, I could keep them all together, fold it, put the lid on. Yeah. Oh, yeah. That's it. And press it down. Oh, perfect. Oh, yeah. This is perfect. I like it. It fits really good in there. Slammed, as you can see, stacking the. You don't take much room at all. Let me go get the original, show you. You got the original. That's clean. I like that a lot. Look at that. You can't get no better than that. These aren't even that bad. This is nice. Got your blanket in the bottom, original, and your ginger. Can't go wrong. All right, guys, let me go ahead and check this ginger out, and we'll season up some meat and take it out. All right, guys, I got the ginger tub out, and to give you an idea on size, I've never used this one. I got 2 chuck roasts in here, about total 6.5 pounds. Now, the cool part, how this works, if you're cooking, 1, 2, each one has 3 levels. So you go super flat, or put a little weight, and boom. My wife hates it when I get the kitchen mess. Drip easy to save me a ton of time. Check this out. We're with a binder here. I love just doing a little something with the Worcestershire. And come down to seasoning. I ain't got no mess. So take it, pat in my seasoning, and it's no mess whatsoever. This is 6 pounds of meat. I'm almost out of seasoning, but I gotta get another pack. But this is ideally what you want. And when you're done, while you're letting your grill heat up or come up to temp, put the lid on, and the wind won't blow it off. It's pretty secure. I like it. Let me go ahead and cook these up, and then we'll try out the barbecue blanket. Catch you guys in a minute. About 4.5, 5 hours, I think. And I got these chuck roasts here. They fit really nice in the little one. We'll slide them in. One here. One here. So you got plenty of room for another one if we ever want it. Now, this thing is huge. Lift it up. Let it chill. And let's see what happens. Like I said, I don't really know how to test it. I have to assume it's going to be definitely better because of the installation, but I'm not going to have the way to measure it out. The reality is, I think this heat bag is amazing to have at a barbecue pit. Holding my hand on it, I could feel some of the heat from the roast. I did put them in. They were temping at 204 degrees. So not over 250. But yeah, we'll definitely let it see how long it lasts. It's be warm and dinner. The installation will help a lot better. So we'll let it roll and see what happens. All right, guys. It's been about an hour. And I still feel some nice warmth in here. It's not super cool. I definitely tell with slower heat relief. I definitely like that. Overall, thank you guys for watching. If you love these products, once again, I have a link in the description to get 10% off. Try them out if you haven't. I love the tubs. I've had them for quite some time. This new bag is awesome. It keeps it warm. I can definitely tell that if I was going to dry a friend's house or bring my food somewhere, I could see myself using this in tandem with one of the larger tubs to keep that food warm and keep that moisture in there. Thank you guys again for watching. If you like this content, feel free to subscribe, hit that like button, and we'll catch you in the next video.